So, what the job with any planet is to look at its nature and then to look at the nature or the clothes that that sign wears. And one of the great ways we can do that, it really helps interpretation, is to think of, for example, we have the moon in Leo tonight. We might think, okay, what does the moon rule? What is it about? Well, we know the moon is about the needs. It's about how we've been taught to love, how we go out into the world trying to love people personally and professionally, how we try to mother people. It says a lot about our moods. I call it the backpack of uh, the birth chart, meaning it's what we consider essential, what we would carry on our backs if we were going on a journey. It's real baggage of the horoscope. So the moon in Leo, we can start thinking about Leo, but if we forget what Leo means, we can start thinking, well, Leo's a fire sign. So what do we know about fire? Fire is contagious, it's enthusiastic, it's rather dramatic, it's sort of wrapped up in its own glory and self-creativity and luminosity. Think of the element of fire. And then think of the mode. Think of Leo as a fixed sign. So think of the fixed mode. So when we're thinking of the moon in Leo, we're thinking of the moon in a fiery sign, and we're thinking of it in a stubborn, fixed, determined, loyal mode, fixity. So sometimes breaking down a planetary position, planet in a particular sign, really helps to start with the element and the mode, and then remember that understanding the elements and the modes gives us really good insight into the motivations, that's the element, and the style, that's the mode, of each of the signs. So remember, each of the signs, like Mars here is in Sagittarius, Sagittarius is fire as well, and it's mutable fire. So its fiery energy isn't fixed and loyal and determined. It's more out there, connecting, mixing, socializing, avoiding commitment, moving around. Even though the cardinal signs originally were called movable signs because they move things forward, mutable signs are movable because they're mutable, they're changeable in many ways. So that's always a good way to